Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and today we are going to add a new weapon to the game. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's go to the FPS weapon bundle, and to the weapons, matches, and I think we want to add this KI wall weapon. And we want to use this KI wall Y, because this X1 has a different rotation. We don't want to change it because this is easier to use, because this is straight away the right rotation. Yeah, let's actually open that. And let's click this skeleton from here. Now we can close that other thing. Now we only have this skeleton open. We want to move it to here. So now we have it open. Now what we want to do, we want to actually go to the blueprints and weapon data table. Let's go to the, for example, the SKKR or something, some of these ARs. Let's duplicate it. Change this name to 5. Now let's select the mesh. I think it was K, wall, and Y. This is the one that we want to use. Now I want to change this recoil amount to like 0.35. I think this is a little bit weaker gun, so I want to make it a little bit like more stable. I'm not actually sure because I don't know much about guns, but yeah, you can obviously make this whatever you want. And I think I will want to make this fire rate a little bit faster, so 0.07 maybe, and bullet spread to like 350 or something. Maybe 400. Let's make it like 75. Ammo clip, let's leave them as they are. ADS time, let's make it like 0.25, I think. Sway amount, damage should be like, I don't know, maybe 40. We can change this later. And this socket name, I will make it KA space, well, something like that. Yes. And now we want to go to this rifle B fire queue and click this pros to rifle B fire queue. And then we want to, because we don't want to use the same sound for every for all the ARs, so I think I want to duplicate this and change some things from here. So let's change the pitch to like 1.2. Yeah, I think 1.3 might be good. And actually, let's make the sound a little bit louder. Like, just a little bit. So they don't sound exactly the same. Okay, I think that's good enough for me. Now we'll select this rifle B fire Q1. Okay, now I think we have all set here. We can save and close. Now what we want to do, we want to go to our content browser and any blueprint and animations. And here we want to open the APP FPS player. And we are at the, let's go to the idle first. We want to copy this, Control C. Let's move this weapon index to there. Let's add a new blend pin and let's copy this to here. Okay. I first thought that I'm gonna make like new animations for all the weapons, but this fit really good for the all the ARs, so, and even for this shotgun. So I'm gonna use these at least until they doesn't fit anymore. So when we are adding like snipers or something like that, I might need to create new animations, but yeah, let's see it when we are at that point. So AR4 idle to the blend pose 5 and movement. We want to copy this also, and you want to copy this on all these states because I want to move that. Yeah, you want to copy this from all these states. Like you want to copy this from this state to there because there are some different options on looping and stuff like that. So if you copy like this and paste it to the next one to the here, it might be incorrect, or some settings might be incorrect. Okay, now we're at the sprinting. Let's paste it here. Let's move this here. Add a new pin. Connect that to the blend post file. Compile. Let's go back. I want to actually check the flow. Yeah, I did add it. Okay, now we have idle, movement, sprinting. Now the ADS one, let's copy it. Control C, Control V. Move that weapon index there. Blend pin, blend post 5 there. Compile, locomotion, falling. Let's do that one more time. Copy paste. Move that there. Add a blend pin. Connect to the blend post 5. Compile and save. Now we want to check. Here we have 5. At the moment we have 5. Sprinting we have 5. Falling we have 5. ADS we have 5. Okay, I think that's it. Now we can save. Now we want to click the skeleton of our from our animation blueprint, so we can go to our player skeleton. Okay, now we can close this app. Now we only have this our skeleton. Now we want to preview animation and we want to search for the AR for static. I think that's the best one for setting the weapon. Now we want to go to here, hand R, and we want to remove all attached assets. So it removes that preview asset. Now we want to click that hand R once more and add a new socket. Let's call the socket the one that we just set, like KA O. And I added a space there and also to the data table, just because we are using this socket name to show the gun's name on the when we are buying it or stuff like that. So I don't want there to be like underscore or anything like that. So yeah. Also this pistol one, okay, we can change it later. It's called pistol one, but yeah, it doesn't matter that much. We can change it later. So let's search for. So sorry, you want to click this KA wall and add preview asset and search for KA wall and Y. SK KA wall Y. This one. Now, first I want to set this to 90 degrees rotation, and I want to rotate this 90 degrees like that. And actually, I don't want have to do that this that way. I can just. I have already done it, so. Okay, my computer is lagging so much. What is happening? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I have the values already here, so I want to use the values 8.5 on X rotation. Y rotation is 19, and this should be like 89, I think. Relative location is minus 5.5. This should be 5.88. This should be minus 1.33. Okay, that fits pretty nicely. But obviously you can set it however you want. You can rotate it like, not like that, but you know, to what rotation, whatever rotation you want. But I will use the values that I set before. Okay, that's set. We can save and close. Now that we are here at the SK, our weapons skeleton, we want to add those ADS sockets and muscle sockets and stuff like that. So let's click the beacon root and add socket. First let's let's rename this 1 and let's move it to where the weapon starts. This is the calculation of the length. So let's move it to there. Now, and you want to the 1 to the left side. Or actually, I don't know if it matters. I think it doesn't matter, but yeah, let's do it still that way. Now the 2, we want to move to here, and I will try it this way. Okay, Control Z, a little bit like that. Okay, that's good enough. Now let's click beacon root once more. Add socket. Let's add the ADS socket, and this rotation we have to set. I think this was a little bit fucked. So relative rotation X should be 180. Y should be 90 and Z should be minus 90. Okay, now let's just move it to the position that we want to use. So I like to always do it this way. I move it to the side this a little bit more up, I think, around there. Then I move it back. Like I think it should be around there maybe. Or actually I don't know. Let's put it there. Okay. Save. Let's click the beacon root once more. Add socket. Let's call this muscle. And we want to set the same rotation. So 180, 90, minus 90. So muscle 180. Oh, that was 180, 90, minus 90. And save. Okay, then let's move it to the end of the weapon, end of the I don't remember what this is called. But yeah, it should be around there. I think that looks pretty nice. Save and close. Now, if I'm not incorrect, everything should be working, I think. Now we're here at the beginning. I want to click one of these buy weapon wall buy things, and I want to set this weapon index to 5, so I can basically buy the new weapon and try it. So now we are here, and we see the weapon is set between the tiles correctly, and let's buy it. Okay. Okay, the ADS socket is a little bit off, but let's fix it soon. Okay. Some weird problems, but yeah, the gun seems to work. It sounds a little bit different than the other weapons. So basically, this sounds like that, and this sounds like okay. And obviously, you can use whatever weapon sounds or gun sounds you have, but I only have these FPS weapon bundle and military weapon dark packs, so I don't have that many options. And I think these are pretty okay, and you can adjust them a little bit. But yeah, so we want to go back to the FPS weapon bundle and weapons and meshes and KA wall and KA wall Y. Skeletal mesh, and then we want to click here. It would take some time for some reason, or did it open? Okay, it did open to here. And now I want to move that muscle, no, sorry, that ADS socket a little bit more up, like that. Save, and let's not close that, because we want to try it even more if it works. Okay, my game is lagging, but it doesn't matter. It's still not good. So let's change it a little bit more. So like that. I think now it should be pretty okay. I think that's pretty okay. Maybe a little bit more down, and actually I want to move it a little bit closer also, and then a little bit down. Okay, I don't know if that did anything, but let's see. Okay, I think even more down. So actually I want to see, I think yeah, that's the Y value, because we have rotated the socket. So let's change this Y value to like minus 13 point, minus 13.6. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's change it a little bit more. Minus 13.58. Okay, I think that's good enough. So let's try. Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay, yeah, I think that was all for you. Sorry, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Yeah, I think I will create like 1 or 2 more of these adding weapon videos. So, and later on we will start to add maybe max ammo, insta kill and stuff like that. Maybe perks. Yeah, I don't know the order yet, but yeah. I'll try to continue soon. So, yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.